Okay, switching gears. The Owen Rose Garden. Have you been there before?
I
It's
have,
beautiful.
yeah.
Facing drastic cuts as the city tries to balance its budget. But a local group has been helping keep it afloat.
We're seeing this a lot.
Yeah.
Organizations coming in. Well, this weekend, that group is making its biggest contribution yet. KEZI 9 News reporter Grace Lim live in Eugene with all the roses to tell us what that contribution is. Grace?
Well, Sean and Bob, the Eugene Delta Rotary Club will install a brand new kiosk right in front of the Owen Rose Garden, and it's a tremendous gift because Parks and Open Space is facing a $300,000 budget cut next fiscal year. Now, those cuts come on the heels of last year's budget cuts. The garden had to scale back on staff and get rid of some of the roses. Still, people who visit the garden can enjoy the fabulous pergola, gazebo, and walkways, and now they can also enjoy the brand new kiosk thanks to the Eugene Delta Rotary Club.
It's got a roof, it's going to have panels that are covered, and it can talk all about what's going on at the Rose Garden. And they've done this all out of the generosity of their spirit. They have contributed all the labor and all the materials to build this kiosk that no way would we have been able to afford with our budget right now.
Now, since the 90s, the Eugene Delta Rotary has invested about $100,000 in the Rose Garden, and every Thursday, volunteers help with the gardening, which is becoming more and more sustainable. The city has been reducing the use of pesticides and fungicides and figuring out ways to make their own compost. Now, with the looming budget cuts this next fiscal year, if they become significant, if they become a reality, the city says it will be significant. Some of the things that they're considering: closing the restrooms and also cutting back on irrigation. Live in Eugene, Grace Lim, KEZI 9 News.